Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Most of the Wall Trading. Today is Monday, January 21st, 2019, and this is going to be my watch list for January 22nd, 2019, which is a Tuesday. Happy Memorial Day, Happy Martin Luther King Day to everybody here in the States that celebrates it. As you may know, the market was closed today, so we didn't really miss much as far as trading today. While I'm setting up here to go over my watch list, I just want to remind you guys that I do have a website, which is mostofthewalltrading.com. You can find a bunch of information that I have on there. You can find my social media on there. I have a free newsletter that I can send to your email inbox, which is just to provide technical information about stocks. And again, that's 100% free. So if you want to receive that, go ahead and subscribe to that. I have a free chat room through the Discord app. I will leave the link to that in the description of this video, so check that out as well. I also have an investing course. And again, you can find that information on the website. Also on that website, if you want to contact me, if you want to do maybe a one-on-one session or something along those lines, you can contact me there. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you know when I'm going live. I appreciate the support that I've been getting these last couple of weeks. Really means a lot to me. So as long as you guys are learning, it makes me feel good because there's a lot of information out there. So if you guys are learning, it makes me feel good. So for those new viewers, welcome. For those people that have been with me for a while, glad you're still sticking around. The way that I do my videos is I break them down into two sections. I go into day trading first, and then I go into swing trading. So two totally different ways of trading. One thing that you need to know is that I'm not a financial advisor or financial planner. So anything that I discuss here is just my opinion. By no means does it mean that any stock that I discuss on here means that you need to go out and buy it. Please do not do that. I always encourage you to do your own research and learn and just practice before you invest, because if you're not sure what you're doing, you can lose a lot of money. So with that being said, I'm just going to jump right into it. So for day trading, the way that I like to trade is I like to trade momentum. What does that mean? I usually just look for the high of the day, and I just want the stock price to break above that high of day. Is this the only way to day trade? Absolutely not. There's many ways of day trading, just like there's many ways of swing trading. So what you need to understand is that my way might not work for you, and that's totally fine. You just have to figure out what works best for you. So this is my way of trading. If it works for you, if you like how it is, and if it makes sense, then by all means go ahead and use it. If not, then maybe I would suggest you check out another channel because maybe they trade a little bit different, and that would make more sense for you. So so the first one that I have for tomorrow is ESV, and we always do the same thing. It's once you identify what it is that you're looking for and how you like to trade, it's like clockwork. You identify the pattern and you're always looking for the same thing. So for day trading, what I like to do is I like to identify the high of day, which at this point was $4.66, and I draw a resistance line through there. So what I'm looking for, and remember the market was closed today, what I'm looking for is for tomorrow, if the stock price can break above $4.66, meaning that it goes above and breaks this purple line that I have drawn here, as long as it has good volume, it could present a nice opportunity for the stock to go up. Now, if it does break above $4.66 and it has good volume, does this mean that this is going to take off to the moon? Absolutely not. Remember, with investing, you're still taking a risk. You're still taking a chance. So it could just go up, break above $4.66, and it could just give you a 5-cent profit per share and then come right back down. Or it could take off for a 50-cent profit per share. You never really know. We're playing the odds game. So one thing that I always stress is that you need to have a backup plan, because just because it does exactly what you want it to do, it does not mean that it's going to take off to the moon. So Many times when I first started trading, it would do exactly what I wanted it to do. I would throw the kitchen sink at it, thinking that I was gonna make a ton of money. It would go up 3, 4, 5 cents, and then all of a sudden it would just come crashing down. And I didn't have a backup plan. I didn't have an exit strategy, and that's how you lose a lot of money. So before you do anything, you got to know, when are you gonna get in, when are you gonna get out, what happens if things don't go your way. You just got to plan everything out, because if you don't, I guarantee you're going to lose a lot of money, and you don't want to do that, because once you start losing money, you're going to get discouraged, and you're going to, just say that this isn't for you, and not even attempt it again. So please have a plan. Please have a plan of action, and always remember that these stocks have a mind of their own. And just because it seems that it's doing what you want it to do, it does not necessarily mean that it will do what you want it to do. So that's the first one that I have, ESV. The next one is LPI. All right, so same situation here. We have a stock that surged up a little bit, and we identify the high of the day right here at $3.93. So again, it's just like I mentioned in the last one. Once you identify the pattern, we're doing the same thing every day, just identifying stocks that meet our criteria. So we have our high right here at $3.93, and we want the stock to break above that 393 resistance line that we have drawn here. As you can see, it reached $3.93, then it came right back down, but it slowly started to snake back up. So tomorrow, actually, let me move this a little bit. What I would do is I would also draw a line at $4, and I'll explain in a little bit why. So tomorrow, if this again breaks above $3.93 with good volume, it could be an opportunity to get in. And again, as always, have a backup plan just in case. Now, why did I draw this line here at $4? That's because this stock is trading at $3.93, and our resistance line is at $3.93. So anytime a stock is getting close to a hold number or a $0.50 amount, that could be a big resistance point. So that's why I have a line at $4. So what can happen is this stock can break above $3.93, come up to $4, and then come right back down. Why? Because it's a whole number, and that could be a big resistance point. So in this situation, you have two options. You can get in above $3.93 and hope that it crosses above $4, or if you want to play it safe, you can just wait for it to cross $4, and then hopefully it continues to go up. Me personally, I would just wait for it to go above $4, because I would hate for this to go across $3.93, go up a little bit, see some resistance, and then come right back down. So there's two ways that you can play it. You guys can take your pick. But again, remember, you're looking at the volume as well, and always have a backup plan. If you're looking at this and you don't know what it is that you're looking at, you don't know how to read candlesticks, moving averages, time and sales, level 2, MACD or RSI, again, you can check out my website. I have some educational videos there that you can check out, and that can help you out. The last one for day trading is XOG. And if anybody's in the chat room, if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask away. And once I'm done with the video, I'll get to your stocks or answer your questions. XOG is the last one that I have. So same situation, we're just identifying a pattern where we identify the high of the day, which is at $5.04. So we put our resistance line right there. Actually, let me move it a little bit higher so it looks cleaner. So right around there, $5.04. So you can see right here, this stock reached a high of $5.04, saw some resistance, came down, and now it's starting to kind of creep back up a little bit. So same thing. We're just looking for the same exact thing as the previous two. We want the stock to cross above $5.04, good volume, and that indeed could set it off for a nice gain. Again, nothing is guaranteed, so please be careful, and always have a plan, have an exit plan, have an exit strategy, because these stocks have a mind of their own. So just be very, very careful. If you've never day traded, I suggest that you paper trade. I suggest that you watch how fast these things move, because if you're day trading, they move lightning fast. And if you blink, or if you take a phone call, or if you're not 100% into what you're doing, it could be a disaster. So just keep that in mind. So that's the last one for day trading, for my day trading watch list for tomorrow. I'm going to switch things over to swing trading. And for that, I use a 1 year, 1 day candle, which basically means we are looking at a whole year. Whereas for day trading, we're just looking at just 1 day. So first one that I have for swing trading is AUY. So for AUY or for swing trading, my main pattern is just a bounce play. What does that mean? It basically means that I'm just looking for a point of support, and that means that a stock comes down, finds some support or a floor, if you will, and then it bounces back up. So imagine if you're standing up and you hold a basketball and you throw it to the floor. When it hits the floor, it's gonna find some support and it's gonna come back up. So that's what it is. And this is what this line is right here, the blue line that I have. Why? Because let's say we threw a ball and it bounced right there and it went back up. It's okay if the stock continues to go below it, but this right here tells us that this is a support line. So if we look at what it's done before, it's bounced basically right there, right there, right there. You could say right there too. And why do I like it? Well, because it's coming right back down again. So I'm looking at this line. Get rid of that. I'm looking at this line to act as a support line again, meaning that I'm hoping that it does what it did right here. Came down and it went back up. So here I'm hoping that it comes down and it goes back up. So I'm going to be watching this to see what it does tomorrow, and hopefully it presents a nice opportunity. If it goes down tomorrow and breaks through this support line like it did right here, then this stock is no longer good for me because it didn't validate this support line here. And I think I have one more, which is NBEV. Okay, so this is a different situation here. This is a different pattern. It's not a bounce play. This is more like a channel or a sideways triangle. Basically, what's going on is this stock is trading up and down, and it's every day that goes by, it's getting closer and closer to the end of this sideways triangle. So at one point, this is either going to break to the downside or to the upside. If it breaks to the downside, it means that it's just going to go down in theory. But if it breaks through the upside, then it could indicate that it's going to take off for a nice pop, for a nice breakout. So this is a pattern that I don't really trade often, but it's just so blatant and it was just so, actively talking to me that I couldn't help but draw these lines out and show it to you guys. So this one, it's not going to break tomorrow unless it has a horrible day and it breaks to the downside. I doubt that it'll break to the upside tomorrow because it'll need to have an amazing day. So I think this one is going to take a couple of days, maybe even into next week, for it to finally decide if it's going to break to the upside or to the downside. So just keep that one on watch because this one could present a nice opportunity. And if it does break to the upside, it basically reached a high of $10. So if it breaks to the upside, let's say at $7.50, I mean, if it goes all the way up to its previous high, that could be a nice chunk of change if you do get in on it. So that's it for my swing trading watch list. Again, if anybody's watching this in the chat, if you have any questions or if you have any stocks that you want me to check out, you can just put them in the chat as I'm talking, and when I'm done, I'll review your stocks or answer any questions that you may have. Again, I just want to thank everybody for the support. Thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for the people that have been watching my videos, subscribing to my newsletter on my website, bolsawatchtrading.com. I appreciate the support. If you are enjoying these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and like. Make sure you join the free chat room that I have through the Discord app. The link is in the description of the video. And you can contact me there, or again, through the website, you can contact me in case you want to do a one-on-one session or anything like that. That would be the best way to get in contact with me. I'm not seeing any questions in the chat room or any concerns or anything anybody wants me to go over. So I will end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are learning. I hope these videos are educational for you. And just have a nice Monday night, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching.